When disaster strikes, being prepared can make all the difference. A well-packed bug-out bag ensures you have what you need to survive the critical first 72 hours. Let's dive into the essentials you'll need. First and foremost, water is vital. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day per person. Portable water filters and purification tablets are also crucial, as they ensure you have access to clean water when your supply runs out. Pack lightweight, high-energy foods that are easy to prepare and have a long shelf life. Consider dehydrated fruits, freeze-dried meals, protein bars, and nuts. These options provide necessary calories and nutrients to keep your energy levels up. Protecting yourself from the elements is essential. A compact tent and a sleeping bag rated for the weather conditions you might face are key. Additionally, pack a lightweight tarp and some paracord for improvised shelters. Emergency blankets and a rain poncho can also help maintain body heat and keep you dry. Pack layers of clothing suitable for various weather conditions. Include thermal underwear, a warm hat, gloves, and extra socks. Sturdy, waterproof footwear is a must, as you'll likely be on the move. Don't forget a bandana, which can serve multiple purposes, from sun protection to a makeshift sling. A comprehensive first aid kit is indispensable. Customize it to include personal medications, antiseptics, bandages, pain relievers, and any other specific items you might need. Add a basic guide to first aid for quick reference. A good multi-tool can perform a variety of functions, from cutting to screwing to opening cans. A reliable knife, fire-starting tools like waterproof matches, lighters, and fire steel, and a portable stove with fuel are also crucial. Don't forget a flashlight with extra batteries or a hand crank version, and a whistle for signaling. Keep copies of essential documents like IDs, insurance policies, and medical records in a waterproof container. Include some cash in small denominations, as ATMs might not be accessible. A battery-powered or hand crank radio will help you stay informed about emergency broadcasts. Include a map of your area and a compass, even if you have a GPS device, as electronics can fail. Maintaining hygiene in a crisis is crucial to avoid illness. Pack items like biodegradable soap, hand sanitizer, a small towel, toothbrush and toothpaste, and feminine hygiene products. Also, include a portable toilet or at least some heavy-duty trash bags. Depending on your personal needs, you might want to include items like eyeglasses, hearing aids with extra batteries, and comfort items like books or playing cards to help reduce stress. Remember, your bug-out bag should be tailored to your specific needs and regularly checked and updated. This preparation can provide peace of mind and increase your chances of staying safe during an emergency. Stay safe, stay prepared.